Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the strike-through text effect on your Canva Docs on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a strike-through text effect on your Canva Docs document on your computer. So it's actually simple. For an example, here I'm just going to copy this first. Just going to add this here. So I just need a effect of strike through with this text. So first of all, selected text, you just need to strike through. Then you have a toolbar on the top here. This option is called strike through. Just click this, which will strike the text. If you just need to change this, for example, just need to strike only the strike and not two. So then select it and then select this again. You will deselect the strike through. For example, here I just going to strike how to, and here for example I just selected everything here. So we can just select it again. By selecting the text, you can just undo the strike through option like this. So this is how you just strike through the text or text effect on your Canva Docs on your computer. It's a simple thing. Select the text, add the strike effect, and select the text again, and just select the strike through effect again. It will be deselect the strike option like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.